see this rock? This is a pretty neat rock. You know what else is neat? Relative dating. And I'm not talking about the kind in Alabama. So, what you want to do to find out some relative age of rocks is, you guys see those rocks? Pretty nice rocks. Well, if you look at those rocks compared to these rocks, there's a pretty big difference. You know why? Relative dating. Because these rocks are pretty dang neat because they're above those rocks and below those rocks. That means you can tell the age. That means these boys are, wait, need to catch my breath, keep recording. Alright.
Don't forget it.
That means these boys are much younger. Not necessarily much, but they are younger. This boy is right smack dab in the middle. And those boys, they are quite old, my friend. So, you know what else is quite old? That tree. Look at how thick it is. Mmm, tasty. Alright, you guys know what else is tasty? Papa's Fritas.
What would you do if there was a
Picture of Mr. Pier's face.
right in front of you?
It starts with
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count.
And now, for a failed sacrificial fire starting montage.
I'd say there's potential.
somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. It didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with thinking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow.
Wow, that sure was funny. If only I could experience real emotions such as love. You know what else is real? The fire that did eventually get going.